At Tech Hub Copenhagen, we found a common challenge. While there are many pilots in Denmark, there is not enough full implementation. We had the genuine pleasure of having Jens Brøndberg, the Chief Procurement Officer of Capital Region of Denmark, to explain about the procurement processes and what's needed to fully implement the solutions. Key takeaway is to meet with the procurement as soon as possible, not when the product is ready, but throughout the process. Document the process, document the need, ensure that it's relevant not only for this hospital, but for the entire region.
My key takeaways from today's event is definitely understanding the procurement process in the capital region much better, and also understanding how they're organized and where we fit in and who we should contact when entering the procurement process.
My key takeaways for today is that Region H are definitely buying a lot of AI solutions and to involve procurement really early.
I definitely learned a lot new today because we've developed a solution together with one of the clinics in the capital region, but we have not engaged with the procurement department as much until now. So the information that came out of today's session is incredibly valuable to our future and our possibility of actually commercializing.
Region H has actually worked quite a lot with the procurement processes in order to accommodate the needs of small companies. They also acknowledge the fact that it's difficult and that they need to work on their side.
I would recommend any small Danish health tech startup to attend as many events from Health Tech Hub as possible. It's a way to network with other companies that are similar to you and learn the blind spots that you might have in your commercialization process, but also in your development process.
I would definitely recommend coming to these events because you get a lot of knowledge in short time, and time is not what you have the most of when you're a health tech startup.
Join Health Tech Hub. I think it's a great organization.
What's more to come? There are 20+ activities waiting just for startups to learn, to scale, to make an impact.